What's up guys, Mikul here, and today we're unboxing the Bond. So basically where you can control your ceiling, any type of ceiling fan or anything that uses an IR or radio wave remote control. And we're going to try to program the Winx remote control to work with the Winx, because that's from the air purifier that I unboxed earlier on this channel. So let's open it up. I don't think we even need a knife, but let's do that. There's two sides. And apparently the purifier just decides there's a lot of bad stuff in the air, so alright, so you got this, just a simple seal. So there it is, and take it out. It's actually pretty small, as you can probably see. And then, yes, power adapter. So I'm gonna actually plug it right now. And I thought, okay, it's not micro, it's micro USB, so that's it. And any other, is it USB? Okay, hope there's nothing in there. So this is get set up, power instructions, and other products. Humidifiers, motorized windows, ACs, garage doors, shades, doorbells, smoke detectors, and electric fireplaces. So there's actually quite a few things, and I'm planning to request them to also do light strips so you can control the colors, brightness, and all that. That's the satisfying part. Alright, there we go, nice shiny plastic. Probably all gonna get fingerprinty, but let's try hooking up some power here and plug it right here. Alright, there it turns on. So now we're gonna just quickly set it up. So as I have it on my iPad. So you're gonna add a new one, set the Bond to Wi-Fi mode until Bond's light flashing green. So I'm gonna put a link to this in the description if we can purchase it. So I guess do we just wait? Okay, so it's kind of wait. Oh, so it's flashing. It's doing more things. I don't know if you noticed it, but there were a couple LED lights in the center of it. Oh, there it is. That over there. So connect the Bond to Wi-Fi. Gotta go quickly do that. So okay, so connected there. Hello, connected. So now it's trying to take ownership of the Bond and look for networks, and I'm gonna quickly log in. So let's just leave it to operate. So this will take around 3 to 5 minutes. So I'll come back when this is done. So I finished setting it up, and now here I can just once I just set up, so I'm gonna click add device and click ceiling fan. So I'm gonna hit next. So I was originally gonna try the air purifier remote, and since it was kind of like a similar control to a fan, it recognized it but wasn't able to control the power. So I decided just to do an actual ceiling fan, which is this one here. I'm gonna try programming the first speed, and it says tap start when ready, and I'm gonna hold it, the remote close to the thing, so I'm gonna start it, and then click speed 1. I'm just gonna hold it, and the bond turned green. So, okay, so now I'm gonna try to locate the device in the database and see what it comes up with. So in this remote is a 3-speed. These are 3-speed. This is 0. Hit 3-speed, and then so it says power, speed 3, reverse, light, dimmer. I guess it's close enough, and we'll just see what happens. Okay, so it says 2 functions. So let's just hit speed 1, and then try speed 2. So it looked like it worked, so I'm just gonna hit yes. There's tele controls, and you can edit them if you want. You can also rename it and all that. So I guess that's it. And also a few other things I want to know. This is $100, so you can control 6 devices. So like it depends if you want it or not. But like you can control like fan, which is really kind of helpful. And there's also a few other things that's going to be compatible with in the future. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.